Alright, what's happening? This is Hans, the Ramen Rater, coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. I've reviewed over 3,000 varieties, and today I'm going to try something new. So, what we have, ladies and gentlemen, is a stir noodle, so that means it will be dry without broth, sans broth. This is from China, or Gina. It is I believe it's braised beef. It also came up as marinated beef, and if you look, there's like peppers and star anise and stuff, but I got it from a native speaker that it is braised, so. Anyways, let's move you back. Come on, it's okay. Don't get mad. Don't get mad. Here's the bowl that it will be in. And then we introduce the boiling water. And we give it a nice, happy, and verklempt 3 minutes over here. 1, 2, 3, and go. There's enough boiling water in there. Really, the whole lid thing isn't really needed, but fine. We'll do the lid. We will do the lid. Now you'll notice really quick though, see how there's a tab here and a tab here? The idea is to drain it using the tab and just like popping it up just a slight bit. Probably wouldn't work as well as the ones in like the Japanese yakisobas. Anyway, some of you will be like, dude, why are you wearing the Impeach Trump shirt today? Well, I'll tell you why. I got a comment, very short, very brief, and the guy just said, stick to rating ramen. Shirt is inappropriate. I think that's what he said. I don't want to misquote him, but he said something along the lines of, shirt is inappropriate, unsubscribing. It's like, oh yeah, well I think your shirt is inappropriate. I'm going to call the proper authorities, and yeah, I'm going to have a hissy fit. And besides, the video that he was commenting on was the top 10 Japan list, where I actually wore this shirt, and I didn't even think about it. I wasn't trying to do some kind of like political thing towards Japan or anything like that. I was just like, oh yeah, that's the shirt I'm wearing. Well, cool. So, yeah, I don't know. But, God, why is the answer to disagreement to just say, no, no, make it go away. You can't handle it. It's just like, delicate frickin' snowflake, dude. Wow. But it's your opinion, and if you want to subscribe, I'm totally okay with that. You know what? I would subscribe to like a hardcore pro-Republican channel because that's just not where I'm at. So that's fine, you know. I have no problem with that. But just coming across, it's just like, why do you gotta comment? Just unsubscribe. What are you doing to change the universe? I mean, it's just so freaking blatantly internet. Netizen, uproar, drama, snowflake, tantrum. Anyways. So yeah, and oh, and for a commenter from the other day, yeah, if you're watching this and you're the person who commented, you know who you are, and there you go. I didn't really do that, but you know. So he said, it's like, what was he saying? You know, if you're a Trump follower, or this or that, or if you do this or that or the other thing, and like if you scratch your butt on your show, I'm like, oh God, I'm not a Trump follower. Did I really scratch my butt while I'm doing my show? That's embarrassing. He's like, no, but I'd think that was funny, you know, blah, blah, blah. I'm like, so there you go. If that if that's all I gotta do to make one of my subscribers happy, that's just fine with me. But that's where we leave that. So the noodles are definitely done. Giving them a quick stir, and then we're going to do a purge of the broth. It's called a broth purge, also known as just simply as draining the broth off. So let's do that. Ooh, and it's hot. And it eats. Okay. I'm going to drop it in the pot with a pat of ramen, pat of noodles. And then we're going to grab, oh God, where is it? Here it is. This is the seasoning sauce, as it were, and this goes on here, and then you just stir it up, and then you're good to go. Thank you, China. God, I hope he was doing that on purpose, because if he was, that's like comedy genius. But if he wasn't, that's just silly. That's like... And unfortunately, I don't think it was comedy genius. But anyway. Maybe that guy is right. Maybe I should just stick to talking about noodles. That's the thing. I talk pretty much about anything and everything I want. In fact, how about this? If there's a subject you'd like me to talk about during our little 3-minute sessions of really not much of anything to do, I am absolutely stoked to do that. Just please don't make it like football. Baseball's all right, but that's like the only sport I know anything about. I'll go. I mean, I guess I can talk about subjects like other sports if that's what you're really looking for. But yeah, you know, or if you have like a personal problem, I won't say your name or anything, but I'll give my 5 cents or 2 cents or my $2.37 or my $5.23 and a little ball of lint. So here are the noodles, and I think it'll be pretty evident real quick if it's braised beef or not. So salut. It's definitely beef. And I believe this one has a lot of TVP. Yeah. The TVP bits are quite good, actually. Oh no! Ah! Miles, help! Help! I got junk on the stove. Can you help? No. Miles does not have school today. Midway through week number 2. It's so rad. He loves going to school. And his teacher posted. It's crazy because when I was a kid, we didn't have all this, like, there's a thing called Skyward where you can look at what assignments your kids have done and all that stuff. It's like, oh my God. I would have freaking hated that. And actually, I believe my 13-year-old son, Andy, totally hates that I do that. Seems like all you care about is that what I'm doing in school. It's like, well, yeah, that's a big part of what I care about, dude. I don't want you to wind up like a degenerate or something like that. I don't think he will. I think he'll be all right. Anyways, bada bing, bada boom. Very cloudy day today. Hopefully the shots of this will come out nice. And this is, again, a new plate. For all my hardcore followers, you knew that already. Fantastic. Alright, well, hey. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. You can watch this, like, over and over if you really want to. And, yeah, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Please subscribe, please like, please click the notification bell. And get a load of this stuff if you want. There's stuff to look at. You know, you're more than welcome. Please. No, really, click. It's all right. I'm not gonna get mad. There's really no problem. Indulge yourself. Bye.